Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel. So I'm going to unbox the Jamie Oliver blender set. So we bought this one in the Fairprice Finest. There's a lot of branch of Fairprice, and I got an 8 points of buying there a lot of groceries. So I paid only this one like $79.99, which is the original price of this is $199.90. So it's like 7,000 to 8,000 pesos in the Philippines. And let's do unboxing. And it's really big, guys. Yes, because I love collecting points and I love collecting vouchers.
Yeah.
So we.
So whenever you get a point, you're like, she's so happy, right?
Yeah, I'm so happy. Even like 1 point in the grocery. 1 point, no S, 1 point. So we save like 79. It's like we save like $120 of this. So let's do this. So guys, if you know Jamie Oliver, he is really a good chef. And he has a show in the States. Let's do this.
Like this, yeah? Like this? Like yeah.
Okay, guys. So,
Instruction manual there.
instruction manual. Okay, there you go. And here. I will away the plastic, and it's really big. Okay, guys. So, see? I'm afraid to Jamie Oliver. Oh. And I'm very happy to get this. Babe, I can't remove it. Let's remove that. We have also the pan and what's that? It's like a lunch box. And the original price is like $29.90, $17.90. But when you just like have an 8 or 4 points of those, then you can just like pay like $3.90. So I'm still collecting those points because I really want to collect kitchen stuff of Jamie Oliver. So yes, and we will try. I mean, we will try to make. We will make avocado shake.
Mango shake.
Avocado mango shake. So Tim will do that, and we will vlog that one as well. So see, it's really big, guys.
Yeah.
I'm really happy, you know. Tim is just like, he told me that you're just like a kid. Yeah, but because this is Jamie Oliver, if you know him, I'm really so glad that I'm so happy that I have this. Aww.
Yeah, wow.
It's really big.
Yeah. So let's try and make a mango avocado shake now.
Yes. Okay, guys, thank you. We
Thank
will
you.
make an avocado and mango juice.
So now we're ready to do the shake here, the juice. So we have some avocado.
Yes. So let's try the blender.
And we have
set.
some mango here too, right?
Yes.
You like mango, right?
Yeah.
And we have some
Ice cubes.
some ice. We have some honey here, yeah. And we have some milk.
Yes, it's low fat.
So let's get started here. Let's see.
Yeah, so guys, while my husband doing this, I will tell you something about Jamie Oliver. So Jamie Oliver is a British chef, and he has a show. It's like a cooking show. So if you want to know him or to see about his show, you can just like search his name. It's Jamie Oliver. Okay.
Also putting some honey in here. Hey, I think the lid here. I think we're missing like some top of the lid. Let's find that one.
Okay, wait.
Where is it?
This one.
Small one, right?
Small one.
Yeah.
This one is for the one or for the other one?
For the top of the lid for this guy, yeah. We're just missing the top, yeah. Otherwise we'll be in trouble. So now let's just put a bunch of ice cube here too, see what happens.
We'll put it like this?
Yeah.
What's wrong? Like this. Like this.
Yeah, I think I try to rotate it. There you go.
Okay.
Let's see here.
It's a lot.
Let's see what happens.
It's a lot, babe.
Yeah, it's just to make it cold.
Okay.
Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, so I'm the in our family. I'm the expert in doing this milkshake, right? Mm-hmm.
I will make it like this one. But I don't know need.
That's right. Funny.
Yeah. And then let's do this.
Okay, this could go horribly wrong. So we never tried this before. So
Yeah, we never tried this before. Okay.
Yeah.
We have also a small blender, but this is really the big one.
Let's try it.
You stir it. You stir it.
I think you put some more ice cubes in. And then you can try the first one, right? Okay.
Now I don't want to try later.
No, you have to try it now because you want to show the viewers, our fans, how it tastes, right?
No, later.
Let's see here. Ready?
Ready.
Oh, this one. Is this?
Okay, done.
Let's try, baby. You'll have a first taste here.
Oh, I'm so excited.
That's it. Oh my god. Oh. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. You try here and then say hi to the camera, right? Try to taste it now.
Ta-da! Presenting the avocado mango
We
shake.
call it the Lange Special, I think.
Lange special, okay.
Is it
It's
nice?
really nice, yeah.
Can I try? Right?
Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. So,
Thank you, guys.
Tina, we have this now. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.